Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts. Today, I want to take you on a journey into the fascinating yet alarming world of some of the fastest animals on our planet. You might be surprised to learn that many of these incredible speedsters are also among the most endangered species. Why is that? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Welcome to Fast but Fragile, Conservation of the World's Speediest Animals. Now let's think about this for a moment. Why are these fast animals often more vulnerable than their slower counterparts? One key reason is that many of these speedy creatures require vast territories to roam, hunt, and thrive. As human populations continue to expand, their habitats are shrinking at an alarming rate. Imagine being a cheetah racing across the savannah only to find that your territory has been cut in half because of urban development or agricultural expansion. It's a harsh reality. Additionally, many of these fast animals have specialized diets, which makes them particularly susceptible to changes in their ecosystems. If their food sources dwindle or their habitats become fragmented, they struggle to survive. So, let's take a closer look at three remarkable speedsters and the unique challenges they face in their fight for survival. First up, we have the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. These magnificent big cats can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts, making them the ultimate sprinters of the animal kingdom. But here's the kicker. Their incredible speed hasn't shielded them from the harsh realities of habitat loss and human conflict. In fact, cheetahs have lost a staggering 91% of their historic range across Africa and Asia. They're often seen as threats to livestock by farmers, leading to tragic encounters that jeopardize their survival. Today, there are only about 7,100 cheetahs left in the wild. Think about that for a moment. A creature so fast, yet so vulnerable. Next, let's zoom in on the pronghorn antelope, North America's speediest land mammal. These graceful creatures can maintain speeds of 55 miles per hour over long distances, which is quite impressive. However, their numbers have taken a nosedive due to habitat fragmentation and competition with livestock for grazing land. On top of that, climate change is altering their grassland habitats, making it increasingly difficult for them to find food and water. It's a tough world out there for pronghorns, and their plight is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of species and ecosystems. Now let's not forget our third speed champion, the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on the planet. These stunning birds of prey can dive at speeds exceeding 240 miles per hour. Yes, you heard that right. They are truly remarkable. But even these aerial aces aren't immune to environmental threats. In the mid-20th century, pesticides like DDT nearly wiped out peregrine populations. While they've made a commendable comeback, they still face significant challenges, including habitat loss and collisions with buildings in urban areas. It's a sobering thought that even the fastest among us can be brought down by human activity. So now that we've met our speedy friends, let's talk about the conservation efforts underway to protect them. For cheetahs, organizations like the Cheetah Conservation Fund are working tirelessly to reduce human-wildlife conflict. They're educating farmers about non-lethal ways to protect livestock, which is crucial for the survival of these beautiful cats. Additionally, breeding programs in zoos play a vital role in maintaining genetic diversity, ensuring a brighter future for cheetahs. When it comes to pronghorn antelope, conservation efforts focus on preserving and connecting their habitats. One notable project is the Path of the Pronghorn, a groundbreaking initiative that protects a 170-mile migration corridor in Wyoming. This is the first federally protected wildlife corridor in the U.S., allowing pronghorns to move safely between their summer and winter ranges. It's a monumental step towards ensuring their survival in an ever-changing landscape. As for the peregrine falcon, their conservation has become a success story, largely thanks to the ban on DDT and intensive captive breeding programs. Now, efforts are centered on creating safe nesting sites in urban areas and reducing collisions with buildings. It's heartening to see how dedicated individuals and organizations are working to turn the tide for these remarkable birds. But what can we, as individuals, do to help these speedy animals? First and foremost, we can support conservation organizations through donations or volunteer work. Every little bit helps. It's amazing how much impact we can have when we come together for a common cause. Additionally, we can make wildlife-friendly choices in our daily lives. For instance, opting for sustainably raised meat can reduce pressure on the grasslands that cheetahs and pronghorns depend on. If you live in an area where peregrine falcons are present, advocating for bird-safe building designs can make a significant difference in their survival. And let's not underestimate the power of education. Sharing what you've learned about these incredible animals with friends and family can spark interest and awareness, encouraging others to join the fight for wildlife conservation. As we wrap up our journey through the world of fast but fragile animals, let's remember that speed isn't everything. These incredible creatures need our help to survive in a rapidly changing world. By protecting them, we're not just saving individual species, we're preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems they inhabit. If you found this video interesting, please hit that like button and share it with others who might want to learn about these speedy animals. And don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife conservation content. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the race to save endangered species, every action counts. See you in the next video.